Hey guys, it's Johnny with RV SWAT, and it's time for another giveaway. So we are standing in the museum at the thing where we're currently working. As you can see, is the lovely dinosaurs behind me and aliens. So you definitely need to stop by the thing, check out the museum, come see his little Santa Claus hat on the dinosaur. But let's talk about what we're giving away today. Yeah, Camco heated water hose. You can look these up on Amazon. I think they retail for about $75 to $85, something like that. I'll put an Amazon link in the description below so you can go check out the exact hose. But this one we are giving away. How do you win it? All right, so you all know we are at the thing in Benson, Arizona. It's exit 322 off of I-10. All you have to do to win the hose is be the first one to stop by here and ask for RV SWAT. All right, so that's all you have to do. Stop by. I know a bunch of you are on your way to Arizona, you're on your way to Quartzsite. A lot of you are traveling down I-10. So that's why we figured we would make this a little interesting to win this month. Instead of just commenting below, you actually have to stop by to win it. So remember, exit 322, I-10, Arizona. That's the only three things you have to remember. Stop by, come to the thing, ask for RV SWAT, and you will win the hose. We'll see you in a little bit.